I am a father, I have many sons. But my sons fight all the time. They argue, they shout, and they do not listen to each other. I told them many times, stop fighting, stay together. But they did not listen to me. So I decided to teach them a lesson. One day I called all my sons. I said, bring me a bundle of sticks. They brought the bundle and gave it to me. I gave the bundle to my oldest son. I said, try to break it. He tried, but he could not break it. I gave the bundle to my next son. He tried hard, but he also failed. Each son tried to break the bundle. No one could break it. Then I took the bundle. I untied the sticks. I gave one stick to each son. I said, now break your stick. Each son broke his stick easily. They looked surprised. I said to them, my sons, do you see this? When the sticks are together, no one can break them. But when they are alone, they break very easily. If you stay together and help each other, you will be strong. But if you fight and stay apart, you will be weak. Moral of the story: stay together, help each other, that is strength. Learning English through motivational, inspirational, and moral stories is a great way to improve your listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills naturally. For more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.